No utilities available in your area? No problem. Wanted to show you guys this off-grid system. If you can notice that little shed with the 6 panels on it, that's where we placed this little tiny off-grid system just to run his property. He's got like a small refrigerator, a couple of lights, and a TV inside his house. And that's where we put the generator and the battery system at. Now I want to show you the inside where we have the inverter and the battery system. Notice there's a generator over here in the corner. The customer has been running the generator consistently, and so he really likes his generator, so we went ahead and we tied it in to the new off-grid system that we have. And because he likes running his generator, we were able to go with a smaller system. He runs an average of about 5,000 watt hours. Notice there's 4 batteries. These batteries make up 255 amp hours. We have the magnesite inverter. We have an automatic generator start. So this guy here is going to start the generator automatically when the batteries get low. Let's say it's at nighttime, there's no sun to charge the batteries. The generator will kick in and charge the batteries so that the inverter can stay on and keep the house running. That shouldn't happen. If he gets a full day of sunlight, the generator will never start. But let's say for whatever reason it's cloudy, etc. It's cloudy for a couple of days, generator gets too low, or the batteries will get too low to sustain the load. The generator will kick in, charge the batteries back up to keep this system going. Okay, right here we have a midnight charge controller. This midnight charge controller, it's fed from the system that we have on the roof. So that's what's feeding the batteries or charging the batteries up now, because there's actually sun out there. This here is just the battery. It monitors the battery, state of charge, etc. Make sure the batteries are happy all the time. So you can notice he's got power right now. His lights are on. And so we put this little fan, an exhaust fan, to blow out the hot air. And then we put another vent over here on the north side of the house and north side of the room. This pulls in cool air, and then you blow out the hot air here. So it kind of keeps the room below 90 degrees. You don't want the room to get too hot, because if it gets above 90 degrees, you'll start damaging the batteries. So we want to keep this room as cool as possible. That's why we put the vent there and the exhaust fan there. So, with that, this system is 100%. It works great. It's running right now. It's running the house. He's got a small little train station. He's got maybe about 40 acres here, and he's got that house. He's got a couple of other little bungalow houses. All of this is going to be ran from this system. He gets to run his refrigerator, his television, and just a couple of parasitic loads for like an alarm clock or satellite TV, something like that. So with that, signing off, Sigway Energy. So give us a call today, Sigway Energy, your local solar installer.